Now we'll be looking at another theorem under circle theorem. This one is angles on the same segment are equal. Remember, we looked at angles at center is twice angles at circumference. In this one, we have the diagram like this. Just one diagram explains this one completely. You have the angles meeting at the circumference. The circumference means touching the circle, and the angles are coming from the circumference. So you see them coming from somewhere on the circumference to meet here, and from the same point they go to meet on the other side on the circumference. So two angles meeting on the circumference coming from the same point. One meets here, the other one meets here. Both of them coming from the same point. That is to say, if I have to join the base like this, it will form two triangles that have exactly the same base. Whenever you have that, you know that what we have is angles on the same segment. They are exactly equal. Whatever is here is here. If here is 20, here is 20. Now, we prepared some questions as examples. Look at number one here. This is the same thing. If you look at this diagram, you see it's perfectly the same with this. The question is find y. Since here is 20, we can say that y is 20. Look at question two. The same thing. The question can be written as find y in terms of x. Now we know that x equal to 2y from the diagram. X is always equal to 2y. Therefore, if x is equal to 2y, you can say that y is equal to x divided by 2. That's for this one. Then look at the third one. The question can be find the value of p. If you are looking for the value of p, you can tell that this is like the same. If I join here like this becomes the base. It becomes two triangles that have the same base. So p plus 10 is equal to 40. If p plus 10 is 40, you can tell that p is 30. Then look at number 4. This is a combination of this theorem and the first theorem with 2, which is angles at center is twice angles at circumference. In this one, the question is find the value of x. Now, if this is 80 and this is O, we can tell that x is 80 divided by 2. From angles at center is twice angles at circumference. So x is 40. And then from these angles on the same segment, you can tell that x equal to y. So since x is 40, then y is 40. Thank you.